Okay guys, so another Saturday in the bag and another profitable day. Did seem a little bit flat for anybody who was in the markets today. You probably know what I'm on about. Doncaster was delayed, and yeah, it just seemed to have a real sort of knock-on effect with the rest of the racing. Well, that's how I felt anyway. But nonetheless, still caught a couple of nice moves, especially in the first race. So you'll see that. I've included the videos where something's happened, or I think you get something out of it. But I have had to go in and narrate over, other than the first video where it caught the audio. It hasn't caught the audio on the other videos for whatever reason, I don't know. But yeah, so I'll have to go in and narrate over the top before I put them on the back of this. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Okay, so just under 3 minutes out on this one. I can't get pictures up for some reason, so just got to be careful there. What have we got? Quite a tight front end for the first sort of 4 or 5 of these in the market. Obviously a short price favourite, but not without opposition, I don't think. And this has been on a massive drift all day, fairly weak. Yeah, there's some odd price sort of spikes here. I imagine there's been a couple of non-runners. That's the reason for that. But yeah, this favourite still looks quite strong. I'm going to place a back trade on this because I'm just not seeing any opposition. Kind of getting again. I'm just going to take a few stakes out there. There's still nothing coming in against it, so happy to leave these in at the minute. And yeah, what's changing? Nothing. That's drifted up and over. This could still be strong. Yeah, there's starting to be a little bit of a retracement here, but nothing to worry about too much. I think this could come back in again. Just keeping an eye on the others. It's starting to build a little bit of money here. Just with 50 seconds left, maybe just try and take a couple of stakes out there. And look at it, it comes straight through, so there's not a great deal of money being matched. You can see how low the liquidity is here. So that's been matched. Is it going to get this last one? I don't know. Yeah. Okay. £8.54. It's a decent start, that is, to be fair. Nothing really looked like it was going to trouble that favourite. And yeah, I'm just conscious that I didn't have any pictures there either. You can see it's quite low liquidity. It's only 50 grand matched, and that's pretty shit, to be fair. So yeah, that was quite a decent little move for the start of the day. Okay, so I'm in this market a little bit late on, to be honest, and I'm late in switching my camera on because that's just literally caught that as it was going over the crossover at 2. So I'm in for a £52 stake here, and yeah, it's all sort of flip-flop, the whole market has, and I'm sort of, you can see where I was sort of looking at there, but I'm also conscious that these sort of markets, 1v1s can turn around pretty quickly. So yeah, I'm just sort of erring on the side of caution at the minute, and yeah, I'm just speeding the videos up a little bit because this is quite a long one, and you'll see why at the end. So yeah, I've only got a stake of £13 left now, and I wish I'd left that whole stake in, because I would have definitely got, you know, a decent chunk of change out of this. But I'm still watching both horses. Just commenting here, if I remember rightly, that how much more is this ladder 2 gonna come in, and yeah, I literally just sat watching it. So I'm just trying to scalp a tick or two as ladder 1's going up, and yeah, you'll see me. I mean, we're well into past post time now. That's sort of 2 minutes and nearly 3 minutes, but they're still only parading. So yeah, I'm literally just messing around at this point. I'm just checking when the next market's due to go off, and yeah, ladders have sort of reversed round now, and yeah, I'm in again, looking to scalp back out. And yeah, should I really be messing around at this? It looks like there might be an opportunity, and yeah, I'm thinking at this point I'm in for another stake, and thinking have I just blown that and gave some back, but yeah, that ladder 1 as it is now was ladder 2. That's really continued to push in. So, and I'm just scalping little ticks as I went up there as well. But yeah, overall happy with that. And yeah, okay, so at this Newbury race, and yeah, I was taking a look at the market here, and I thought this looks quite interesting. So we've got two horses in and around the same sort of price. I'm looking at the Henderson horse, and I'm thinking to myself, I think that's quite strong. It looks like it could quite easily push back through the 3.0. And yeah, my feeling was sort of the opposite with ladder 2. You can see all the chunk of money that was traded at sort of 3.1 and 3.15, and with that, and also the crossover as well, I was feeling quite confident that I could lay this at that price and it wasn't going to sort of run away from me. You can see ladder 1 starting to come through the 3.0, so I'm feeling pretty good at this point. I've got 2 stakes in the market for £26 each, and yeah, I'm just keeping an eye on the other runners, really looking for more opposition. And yeah, but at this point I'm feeling fairly confident now. I'm hoping that we can maybe get a bit of a move here up to maybe 3.4 or maybe even hopefully 3.5. Now that's me sort of wishful thinking at this point, but yeah, I'll just start putting a few little sort of dribs and drabs exit points out of the market, and this is really just to make me feel a little bit better, because at this point ladder 1 has really pushed through the 3.0 and ladder 2 hasn't reacted massively to it. So you can see me just move that stake up a little bit, up to sort of 3.5, because I'm thinking if ladder 1 goes again, then ladder 2's it's going to have no option but to drift. But yeah, I was sort of proved wrong on that front, and ladder 2 proved to be quite strong in the end. So you can see me, I'm starting to drip feed my exit a little bit lower, and yeah, I think I might go in for another tick here, if I remember rightly. No, I'm just looking at it. It's getting right towards that race time. I do go in for another tick, but yeah, it's getting too close now, and they're just about to go off. So yeah, never really got going. I just had to take that £1.21. That's just the way it is sometimes. Okay, so just gonna run this video sort of double time. So it's quite a long one. So I'm in early to this market. This is one of the more stable markets of the day. I'm not expecting any massive moves here, but keen to catch this ladder 1 in and around the crossover at 4.0. So I'm looking at how much money's been traded at that price, and just in and close to it, really. So you can see a big spike's just jumped in there, and I've missed that initial sort of jump up, but it's coming back down a little bit, and I'm just looking for a sort of ideal moment really to get into this market. You can see all that money at 4.1. I'm not really keen to be entering a stake there, but feel a little bit more comfortable now with the money at 3.95 and 4.0. So yeah, it's I enter a stake for 26 quid. And yeah, I'm just looking really, in my head I'm thinking that I can potentially scalp this for maybe get 2 or 3 ticks through the market. So I enter another stake there, with the intention being that I'm going to take 26 out at 4.1. The original 26 at 4.0 should be close to getting matched, and you can see that happened there. And yeah, in my head I'm thinking I might as well try and build a position here, and have a little bit of a safety net as well. So that was the intention, to get half out at 4.1 and bring my potential loss down to 3.9. But yeah, again, not too panicky. He saw me take that 52 quid out, which I was maybe just being a little bit on the cautious side. But again, that's just that 2-minute flurry there. I'm not expecting the prices to sort of massively drift off. You can see ladder 2 is quite solid, and yeah, I'm sort of playing in and around these points here now. So I know I'm not a million miles away at 4.0, and I actually up it from the £26 stakes back to the £52 stakes now, because I'm feeling a little bit more comfortable that this isn't going to rip off on me. And yeah, I'm just trying to maximise it as safely as possible. And you can see me take that stake out again when it jumps back down, and I'm just waiting for that money to be matched at 4.0. I've just tried to anticipate where I would be in the queue at 4.1 as well. And yeah, you can see I've got a couple of ticks worth of profit there, and I'm just eagerly awaiting for this money to get matched at 4.1, which it does in a minute. So you know what, not massive amounts of profit there, but a fairly safe trade all the same. And yeah, quite happy with that overall. And again, as is a theme today, just speeding this up a little bit. So I'm late into this market here, at Banger, but there's a super short price favourite here. And yeah, you've seen me do this before. Really sort of comfortable again that the market's quite solid. It's not really going to rip through or sort of jump off in any direction. And yeah, just looking to grab a tick or two here. So yeah, £100 stakes, £104 stakes. You know what? It's not sort of, looking to get massive profit out of this market, but yeah, you can do this quite safely with bigger stakes. And you can see the liability. The liability is like £20 there, or £20 for every 100 that you put in. It's nothing really. So I could be, if I wanted to, be scalping on £1,000 stakes here, and but that's where it just starts getting a little bit more difficult, and you've definitely got to be on your toes then. But you can quite easily do that, and get some decent sort of stakes through the market. And yeah, but sometimes it does go wrong. Sometimes it can rip through you, and yeah, you can get caught out. So, but yeah, happy with that. We're just looking to try and do that again here. So you can see I've got stakes backed up in the market. And yeah, just trying to really sort of catch one on either side. I messed it up a little bit there. And yeah, I've just sort of trying to even myself out. And yeah, I'm sort of conscious that they're coming to race time now. So yeah, happy to take that £3, as I think I'll do in a minute. I'm just giving it one last chance. You can see there's sort of £9 on the lay side there. It's not going to bounce down, and they're ready to go off. So yeah. Okay, guys, I was thinking of trading that Newbury race, but I'd had enough by this point. The market seemed quite dead today. and I found things on the whole fairly difficult. Although looking at the P&L sheet, it wasn't that bad a day really. Yeah, with Doncaster sort of going off late, I stumbled into that first race with the £8.54 profit, and yeah, I probably wouldn't have got that if I'd known that Doncaster was going off late, etc. I might not have entered that trade, but look, I'll take it. I'm happy with how I managed it as well, and I'm happy with some of the other hits. See that one loss in the middle there, fifth race down, 90p, no great shakes. Again, yeah, a couple of scratches on there, but you know what, another £22.56 to add to the bank going into tomorrow, which is the last day of trading for this video series. So yeah,